Marcarian 421. Alright, so it's a very interesting topic. A new kind of a concept is something that we're going to introduce over here. So it is said that Marcarian 421, it's a blazar, right? So located 400 million light years away from the Earth in the constellation Ursa Major. Okay, so this is how the constellation looks like. What is a constellation? It is the pattern of the stars which are there in the universe, right? So that is what the constellation is. There are several well-known constellation: Orion, Ursa Major. These are various constellations. So in this constellation, there is this particular blazar known as Marcarian 421. Now, what exactly is this? Right. So let us have a look at what exactly is given over here. Right. So what is a blazar? It is a type of active galactic nucleus. Now the question arises, what is an active galactic nucleus? That is the question we will tackle in this particular thing. And it is powered by the supermassive black hole. Okay. So supermassive black hole is something that we have already discussed in the part 1 of the video, right? Which is actively accreting matter, right? And it is characterized by intense and variable emission of the radio waves to the gamma rays, right? So multiple wavelengths in radiations in multiple electromagnetic wavelengths is being released. Okay, so now first of all, let us understand what exactly is the active galactic nucleus. All right, so let's say we have a supermassive black hole. We have a black hole. Now most of the galaxies have a black hole at the center of at their center. What is the name of the black hole which is there in the center of Milky Way galaxy? Yeah, it is Sagittarius A. Okay, it is Sagittarius A, right? Okay, this is the information which you can remember. It might be useful from the prelims perspective. Okay, let's say we have a black hole. This is, let's say, the center of the galaxy that we have. This is, let's say, the galaxy, and we have a black hole over here. Now this particular black hole, since we know that it has very strong gravitational force, it is attracting the particles from around the galaxy. Okay, so it is accreting this particular black hole, and since it is supermassive black hole, which is, you know, millions and billions of times the mass of the sun that we have in the solar system. So this particular black hole is a supermassive black hole. So it is attracting the particles from the galaxies at a very fast pace, right? Now, when this is attracting the particles from, at a very fast pace, there is acceleration, there is, you know, charge transfer and everything happening. So because of this dynamic event which is happening, the electromagnetic radiations are being released, you know, from the center of this particular thing. Okay, and this particular thing, you know, the galactic nucleus, active galactic nucleus, because it is accreting matter, right? That is why this is known as active galactic nucleus, right? This particular phenomena, this particular thing which is getting formed is known as active galactic nucleus. Now what is a blazar then, right? So now as I've told you, they will emit the electromagnetic radiations. Now when these radiations have a direction, if the direction of these radiations is exactly towards the Earth, or, you know, more or less towards the Earth, then they are known as blazars. Okay, they are known as blazars. That is the simple concept related to this particular thing. Okay, so what was the what exactly are we reading over here is that we are reading about this particular term, which is Marcarian 421. It is one of the blazar, right, which is present in the Ursa Major constellation. It is a bright source of gamma rays and the X-rays. Right, now what is the importance of studying this particular active galactic nucleus? What is the importance? So as we have already seen the importance of studying the supernovas, importance of studying the black holes and everything, this particular thing will also help us understand what are the raw materials, you know, involved in the various cosmic events. That is something. What are the various reactions which are happening, right? What are the various scientific phenomena which are happening, right? That is there. What are the various conditions in the cosmic events which are happening? All these things we can study about these things, right? And all these things will help us, you know, understand, or will help us address the question that why exactly, you know, what exactly is the truth of the universe, which something which we are already searching for, right? What exactly is the truth, how things have evolved, when things have evolved and everything. There are so many questions which are still unanswered. So we need to study about these things so as to answer these kind of questions. So what you have to remember, when the jet is directly, you know, it's facing the Earth, it is towards the Earth, then these particular active galactic nucleuses will be known as the blazars. All right. that is there. Now let's have a look at supermassive black holes, which we have already seen. Very massive object, right, whose gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, of course, and it is commonly found in the center of the galaxies, right, where they grow by swallowing. That is what we are talking about. They are swallowing the gas, dust and particles from around the region where they are, and they are millions or billions of times more than the sun that we have.